Part 2. He had a silver-plated bus, Lord, a million country fans. Oh, there's just a few of us, you know, we're the ones that drive the brand man they call us the bootleg holler band. They was beating down his door, lovely women left and right. Now he's on the basement floor, wondering where he spent the night. Would you catch a falling star before it crashes to the ground? Don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. Pick me up and take me home. Oh, and I'll bring my old guitar brass, sing a golden open song. If you catch a falling star, here's to you, man.